Hi there, Karen with Aegis Beauty Pro here, and today in this video I'm going to go over two of the NeoGenesis serums. That's the booster and the recovery serum, and talk a little bit about what they are and how you can use them, because I do get some questions about confusion about these two serums. Now, the first one that I'm talking about is the recovery. This is like liquid gold. They're both actually liquid gold, but this one's kind of like the gold standard of the two. And this was formulated. They both have stem cells in them and some wonderful skincare properties. They are powerful serums. These are not things you buy at the drugstore at your CVS for 20 bucks. They're a little bit pricey, but they have a cult following, and for good reason. They work. They do deliver really noticeable results. The recovery is wonderful to have in your arsenal if you are somebody who gets chemical treatments, chemical peels, lasers, heavy microneedling, microdermabrasion, anything like that that's going to cause that irritation to your skin. And causing that irritation to your skin is really what we want to do to really boost the collagen. So that is why a lot of these treatments exist. Now, some are to just essentially remove that sun damage, remove that top layer of skin. Those are very heavy duty intensive treatments, and your physician is going to recommend exactly what you use after those. But once you've gotten past that initial phase with those heavy duty treatments and what they recommend, then the recovery is fantastic to use at home to continue your recovery. What this does is exactly what the name implies, and it recovers your skin. Now, if you're not getting anything that heavy duty, but say you're doing, maybe a glycolic peel or some sort of microdermabrasion or some sort of treatment at home, and your skin gets a little irritated and unhappy with you afterwards, then the recovery is a wonderful treatment to apply right after that treatment, and to continue to use the recovery, for several days until your skin is really back to normal. Now, the only time you would not use this is when you've broken the skin, and that would be with a heavy microneedling, like a medical level microneedling, deeper than the 0.25 millimeter. That is really a cosmetic layer microneedling, which will help give those micro perforations in the skin and help products penetrate deeper. It doesn't do a heck of a lot for collagen induction. It can really help around your mouth, your lips, and your eyes because it's a little lighter, and you can use this immediately after that treatment. Now, if you're at a deeper level, like the 0.50, the 0.75, the 1.0, which is definitely a medical level, that should be really done in office, and you really don't want to use any serums at all, including this, right after a deeper microneedling. So 0.25, maybe 0.50, you could use this. Anything deeper, do not use it right away until those channels have closed. And then if you are left with residual redness and irritation, which is actually a good thing, that's what we want. We want to really disturb that skin to get that collagen boost blasting, then you're going to want to use your recovery. So this is exactly what the name implies, and it helps your skin recover. Now, that said, if you are looking for a daily serum, now there's the NeoGenesis Skin Serum, which is a really nice, very light serum, and I do like to use that layered with moisturizer. The booster is a fantastic daily serum as well. Now, you can add this to your skin serum. I like to add it to the moisturizer or the barrier cream, which is a wonderful product. This is something that you can use day or night. Now, you can use the recovery day or night. Unless you are doing a recovery phase, I would only suggest using it at night. At night is really when you want to use your most powerful skincare, because when we're sleeping, then our skin can, of course, regenerate more easily than during the day, where it's fighting, you know, antioxidants and pollution and environmental aggressors and sun and all kinds of other things. So use your powerful stuff at night. So if you've got that recovery, use that at night. Use your booster during the day. Use this to boost your other moisturizers and products, and I like to stay in the same line. You can use this, of course, with the light moisturizer that doesn't have a lot of other actives in it. Definitely, this is a fantastic product to really amp that up. So if you've got sort of a drugstore moisturizer or something that's like a nice botanical, natural-based moisturizer, and it's really nice for the skin, but it doesn't have a lot of actives in it, then this is fantastic to add a couple of drops and really boost that moisturization and boost the skincare treatments for you by using that. So that's a little bit about those two products. Hopefully it clears up any confusion that you might have on those two wonderkins of the NeoGenesis line. Thanks for watching.